now we took out the stock air intake, and then we'll try to do the charge pipe as well, so we don't have to go back and forth with taking out the parts. We have a visitor.
Yeah.
We got Arabella here, part of the video. This is Nick's daughter. Say hi, Arabella.
Hi.
That's my girlfriend Lulu right there.
Okay, again, guys, it's a torque screw. Lucky I have it. You gotta be prepared. Let's see, this is a T30. Let's see.
Kasha?
It's the right fit.
Perfect.
Right on the
T30.
spot, yeah. We'll be using a T30 and E14 inverted torque socket. Okay, so I'm gonna need a wrench. It's quarter gearless. And also I found the extension. Look at that.
Nice.
From 3/8 to quarter. Look at that, guys. I also have this one. I just need this locking so it doesn't fall. See that?
There you go. You got the extension.
See, easy.
Easy.
They're not even. It's not even hard, guys. So just snug
Yeah.
tight.
Now the second one.
Second one, slowly. See. So patience is the right key. It's a tricky part. I think it might save the screw without dropping the screw. You know what I'm gonna do, bro?
The Nick technique. All right,
Yeah.
there you go.
If you don't have a pig mat, you gotta be resourceful, because in case if it falls, guess what? Where it's gonna fall?
Right there on the bottom.
Heck yeah, brother. This
There
is
you
my
go.
first time touching a Supra.
BMW Supra.
Yeah, BMW Supra. I normally don't touch anybody's cars, but since I already have the guts to do things,
There you go.
this is my passion. Put
On
this
the
in a
side.
magnet. There's a magnet tray. Matco Tools. Hopefully to sponsor us.
There you go.
So now we're gonna be here taking off this.
Cool.
You're gonna need a pick to unlock this one. See that?
Which one is that? That's the
Airflow.
airflow sensor.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So this one, once it's off, look at that,
There you
guys.
go.
How easy it is.
Just pick it up
Put this aside.
without breaking the plastic.
There's two. So once it's out, as you can see, guys, look, bigger, smaller, so you can go
So we
wrong.
got both out of the way. Yeah.
Charge pipe comes off. That's the throttle body right there.
Throttle body.
So
right
once
here.
that build up carbon in there, you gotta clean that one because you're gonna lose power. This is a lot of wiggling here because there's not much space for the charge pipe to come out. The aftermarket comes with two pipes. Yeah, we're gonna get the ones in the bottom. This is a clip right here, and I'm gonna put my lights down there.
So there's a clip. Oh, okay, I see it.
Again, guys, so you have to know. Yep,
There you go.
out.
Pull it out. Perfect.
Another clip. We just need to work on our way patiently, removing. Okay, down, up, and there we go. Actually, guys, from the beginning, you just twist it towards the front, up, and then twist, 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 twist up, and then another twist, twist. It takes a lot of twisting, guys, but again, keep twisting. You have to consider there's a lot of components. The final moment of truth. Again, it's me, Nick. Daddy 007.
The Nick technique.
The Nick technique. So plastic. Oh, so this one right here, this is what he meant by taking off the screw.
Yeah.
So we gotta go get the charge pipe. Right here. Red color. There's two. This one's easy. First is to install this. Is I believe it's from the bottom to the turbo. Since there's two pipes, unlike the original one, stock one, it's the whole thing. So put this aside, guys, for future next video. Forgive us. This is our first time doing it.
We'll be changing the reflectors to LEDs soon. Right over there.
Yeah.
But
Not at this time. Look at this, guys. Unbelievable, guys. So, okay, we're gonna take this one out and then transfer this one. All right.
So there's a little dent here.
There. Oh, this.
We got this on like a cheaper price, but it's okay.
No, there's nothing. It's just dead. Okay, these are the connectors. All right. Ooh, okay, there you go. They have this. So we don't need the stock one because it came with the aftermarket. Take it off by turning it left. I'm gonna transfer this to the aftermarket one. Sensor. I'm gonna put it right here. Ooh, I love it. All right, hand tight because it's plastic. I'm gonna take this one off. 5 Allen. I'll be using my special $50 wrench, gearless. It's not that hard. So T20, guys. So make sure it's the right fit. Just do it by hand. Take your time. Okay, here we go. So with this, again, you have to keep in mind there's a gasket, rubber, snug tight only. So with this, 5 Allen. That's it, snug tight only. See this one?
The stock O-ring.
Yeah. Transfer it to the, don't forget guys, the aftermarket don't come with this guy right here. Make sure, there we go, slowly. That's it.
No, okay, bro.
Kuya Charles, tanggal namin charge pipe dito, and then the air intake, that's the down pipe right there. Oh, so ito, it's gonna go here. There's another connector to the bottom. So, first time doing it. On a Supra. 7. Ito, busin lang namin to. It's pretty simple, bro. You gotta find the right fitting for the hose clamp.
On the bottom and then second part on top.
Yeah. And let's be done with it. Actually position the clamp where you're able to adjust it. Normally I use socket sa ulo. Socket. I use 8. This is 8, and then with the wrench quarter, so to loosen it up. I'm gonna put this one here, lid gap, so I can slide this one easy. Thanks also for my brother Trio for trusting me. If I was driving a Honda, hell no. I'm just kidding. I also have a Honda. If you want more videos, please like and subscribe. We're gonna be featuring Supra and S7. We'll take a look at this one. Comparison. It comes with a gasket and everything, making sure before we install it. I'll put this one right here. Bottom first. Push it in.
So most videos don't tell us where it should be.
There's actually 3 clips to get in, and you will feel it. Oh yeah.
That's what Nick did.
Yeah. Loosening the clamp, positioning the clamp before putting it here. Make sure, guys, it's snug, tight. As you can see, I put the clamps in because if you take it out, it's gonna be hard to loosen this one also. So it's gonna go down here. Yeah, so you can see it's gonna be,
There's the O-ring right there.
yeah. Back again to T30 using hand. I'm not tightening it yet. I'm gonna get the second hose clamp. Ooh, look at that, bro, so sexy. And I make sure I align because it looks good when it's aligned. I'm gonna connect this one right here. Pull up, yeah, pull up, or you could just go like that. And then push that guy.
Push it in
Yeah.
towards
The sensor. Again, it's already lift up the lock.
That's a smaller sensor.
Yeah, smaller sensor.
Okay.
Just like that. I think it doesn't fit. Oh, right there. Okay, so now lock. All good. Not touching.
Perfect.
It's all good. So now we're gonna be torquing this one, then this one right here. There's a torque specs in this one, guys. So far, my experience, you have to feel how hard it is you take it off and how hard you're gonna put it back.
Okay.
Yeah. If you don't have the torque stick, it doesn't require a brute strength. Since it's moving, snug tight only. All good. All good. Remember, guys, it's just rubber. I'm just doing it slowly until I feel it has tension already. Right, guys, so now I'm doing is tugging it or shaking it. Feel it, bro, if you want. What a strong muscle. Even the engine. I only did the charge part. He's doing it with the engine. Okay, guys, we're moving on. So everything is already shot on the bottom. Check. So we still have this for the intake. We're not gonna forget that. It's hot. Reference right here, guys.
So we know how far we've worked out the car.
Yep.